Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. How do you know you have a bad ICP sensor and it's time to replace it? The ICP sensor, also known as injector control pressure sensor, is normally found on diesel engine, and the purpose of having an ICP sensor is to monitor and send data to the engine control module. The engine control module will use data from the ICP sensor to send signal to the injection pressure regulator valve, and that will make adjustment and changes to pressure going to the fuel injector. When pressure going to the fuel injector is properly regulated, this will ensure a smooth engine operation. Without it, driver will start noticing performance issues. If you have a failing ICP sensor, you're going to notice the following symptoms. For example, you're going to notice the engine cranks but won't start. You're going to notice poor idle. You're going to notice engine misfire. Your engine may surge once in a while, and you may also notice poor acceleration. Your check engine light is also going to turn on, and you're going to get the following code. You're going to get P2285 P2286 and P2287. How do you know you have a bad ICP sensor? If you look at the ICP sensor and you see oil coming out of it, that is one clue that you know that the IPC sensor needs to be replaced. There's a good chance that you do not need to replace the ICP sensor if it's leaking oil. The ICP sensor contains a small O-ring on the threaded part of the sensor, and when you change that O-ring, that may stop the leak. If you get ICP sensor codes and you're getting poor engine performance, make sure to check the connection. Make sure the connection is not loose or broken. Make sure the wires are not frayed, and make sure there are no oil on the sensor, because that can definitely affect the ICP sensor. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.